Hi everyone. In this video we're going to look at how we can convert between different measurement units using a conversion table. So for our first question they're asking us to convert 5 cups to pints. So I look at my table and I can see the row where I have cups and pint in the same row. Now I want to go from cups to pint. Okay, so I'm moving sort of from left to right on this table, and that means I need to divide. And what do we divide by? Well, we're going to divide by that number 2. Okay, so again, when we move left to right, we're going to divide, and in this case, we're dividing by 2. So then I can do my math, so 5 cups, and I divide that by 2, and that is going to equal 2.5, and these are going to be pints. Okay, for the second example, they're asking us to convert 4 tablespoons to teaspoons. So I look at my conversion table and find the row with tablespoons and teaspoons. And that's this first row here. Okay, so since they want us to convert from tablespoon to teaspoon, we're going to be going from right to left. And so if we're going from right to left, we need to multiply. Okay, what do we multiply by? We multiply by the number in that row, which is a 3. Okay, so in this case, we're going from right to left, and we're going to multiply by 3. So 4 tablespoons times 3 is going to equal 12, and these are going to be teaspoons. Okay, for our final example, they're asking us to convert 3.5 gallons to cups. So I look at my conversion table and I see gallons and quarts. I see cups and pint. I see cups and fluid ounces. I don't see a table with gallons and cups. Or I don't see a row, sorry, with gallons and cups. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first go from gallons to quarts. Okay, so that means I'm going to have to multiply by 4. Then I'm going to go from quarts to pints, which means I need to multiply by 2. And then I have to go from pints to cups, which means I need to multiply 2 again. So to get from gallons to cups, I need to multiply by 4, then multiply by 2, then multiply by 2 again. So that's what we'll do. Moving from right to left, so I need to multiply by 4, then I'm going to multiply by 2, and then I'm going to multiply by 2 again. So we take our number there, 3.5 gallons, and we're going to multiply by 4 times 2 times 2. Okay, and if you do that in your calculator, you're going to get 56. Okay, and so we'll have 56 cups is equal to 3.5 gallons. Okay, so whenever we're making a unit conversion using a conversion table, we figure out which direction are we going from. Okay, so if we're going from quarts to gallons, that's left to right, we will divide by the number in that row. If we were going from gallons to quarts, we're going from right to left, in which case we would multiply by that 4. Okay, hopefully these